If you're new here, I'm T, and we have Charlie behind the camera. If you're not new here, thank you for joining us once again. We are in Phu Quoc, Vietnam. So we're staying at the Bauhinia Resort and Spa. If you're hearing that wonderful noise, it is because we have some chickens and roosters in the background. So we're gonna start how we usually do, the locking mechanism. So this is the lock. That is the only locking mechanism we have for the room. It is one of those rooms where you have a key card and a scan card. So a key card and a scan card, a key card and a key. Immediately here, this is how you get power within the room. You have to put this, leave this card in. We have the aircon unit, which is just above me here. I would turn that on, but it's very noisy. But we do have the usual cool, speed, on, off, heat, timer mode, everything you would need. If we continue around the room, I don't actually know what this is for. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing. We have used it to hang clothes while we've been here, so it's useful in that way. But yeah, I guess it goes with the vibe of the room, bit of bamboo. Although these look like body bags, they are not. They are our backpacks that we have been traveling with. So you do get 2 chairs and a table. In the room, we do get some snacks. You do have to pay for the pot noodle, the crisps, everything else besides the coffee. The coffee gets replenished every day, which is very nice. If we continue on, oh, the view. So we do have a corner room looking out onto where the roosters live, which is why we hear them a lot. So just to bear that in mind, depending on the location of your room, you might hear that quite a bit. Coming through here, we do have the bed, but as always, we'll come back to that later. On this side, we have a decent sized TV with a remote. Of course, we get the usual channels. You also get Netflix, YouTube, and all of that fun stuff. At the bottom here, we do have a kettle. We didn't end up using it, but it's good to have. So if you do want that noodle pot or that coffee, you have that option. I can put that back on. And then coming over here, we have this lovely wardrobe. It is an open wardrobe, so you've got a couple hangers, little, I guess, desk-ish space. We do have a hairdryer. We've got a safe. It is a smaller safe than usual. If you're like us, you travel with laptops and things like that, it's not fitting in here. So we do have that. The room does come with some flip-flops, which is very nice. And also a very decent sized fridge for you to put some things in here. They do leave some fizzy drinks in there for you, but you do have to pay for them if you drink them. The only thing that is free in the fridge is the water bottles, and they do replenish those every day for you, which is very nice. Continuing on, I feel like this is my favourite part of the room. So if you come through here, we've got a lovely mirror on top of the sink. I love that the sink is quite deep and open. You've got the usual hand wash, you've got some cups, glasses, I'm guessing that's for mouthwash. You've got the shampoo, bath gel. They do give you little bits, so you get cotton buds, a comb, you get toothbrushes. So that's super helpful, and they do give you more toothbrushes when they come and clean the room. Towels, of course. There's another bin. Got the toilet, very lovely toilet. And it also has a bidet. So if that's your vibe, lovely. This shower, love the shower. You can either use the waterfall option or the shower head. It is a bit of a, well, when I turn it on, you will see that it is a bit of a slower drip in terms of the power, but it is very pleasant. Over here, this is my favorite feature. It's just beautiful. Love the palm trees. Usually the sun's out, it is a bit overcast today, but there's something about bathing with the palm trees blowing beside you. Just makes you feel, I don't know, exotic. But with that being said, I'm going to turn on the shower so that you can have a bit of an understanding of the power. Ready? enough. Gets the job done, but it's not too powerful. I don't actually know how to turn on the waterfall option. And there we have it. Okay, so I'm going to try and turn that off. Okay, well, that's the shower. So if you come back through the bedroom, so of course you have the lamp. In terms of the lighting system, I didn't even turn on all the lights. So this is the room with all of the main lights on. Pretty bright. At night, if you want to just turn off the lights, you press this button. And that turns off that one, and then Charlie's one turns off this light. There's only one there's only one plug, and it's an international plug. It's by that side, so I would recommend bringing an extension cord, just so that you can both like charge your phones at night and different things like that. But I think the only thing left to do is test out the bed. So in all things TNC fashion, I will jump on the bed for you guys. This side. So, lovely bouncy bed, super comfortable. You do get 3 main pillows, so you know it's first come first serve. Fortunately for Charlie, I only like 1 pillow. But that is it for this room tour. So something a bit different. As you know, we're traveling Southeast Asia, so there'll be plenty vlogs to come. Check them out on our channel. But for now, that's it from us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.